Everyone, welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video, I am going to solve a problem from trigonometric ratios and identities. And the question is, if a plus b plus c equals to pi, prove that cos a by sin b cos c, sin c plus cos b by sin a sin c plus cos c by sin a sin b equals to 2. This we have to prove. So let us see the proof for that. First, just write the question once again. Cos a by sin b sin c plus cos b by sin a sin c plus cos c by sin a sin b. This is LHS, right? Let us prove LHS is equals to RHS, means this whole equals to 2. Okay. Now let us take this one first. A plus b plus c equals to pi given, right? So what you will get for A equals to pi minus b plus c, right? Now numerator we are having cos. So I'm applying cos both sides. Apply cos both sides. What we'll get? Cos A equals to cos of pi minus b plus c, right? So cos A is equals to, this is pi, means even multiple of 90. So trigonometric ratio won't change, comes the same, and cos of b plus c. But if you think for the sign for this value, here 180 minus theta is second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosecant only positive. Remaining all trigonometric ratios are negative, right? So cos A is equals to what you will get, minus of cos A plus B formula. Okay, cos B cos C minus sin B sin C, which is equals to minus into minus plus. So this I am writing first, sin B sin C minus cos B cos C, right? This value is for cos A. In the same way for cos B cos C, what you will get? Cos B is equals to sin A sin C minus cos A cos C, and this is for cos B. Next for cos C, sin A sin B minus cos A cos B. Okay, now let us substitute these values in the above equation. Cos A means sin B sin C minus cos B cos C whole by sin B sin C. Next plus cos B is sin A sin C minus cos A cos C by sin A sin C, plus cos C is sin A sin B minus cos A cos B by sin A sin B. Understood? Next what we will get is A minus B by D, means you can separate, no? So how can we do that? A sin B sin C by sin B sin C minus cos B cos C by sin B sin C plus sin A sin C by sin A sin C minus cos A cos C minus sin A sin C plus sin A sin B by sin A sin B minus cos A cos B by sin A sin B, right? So sin A sin B sin C, sin A sin C, sin A sin B, all will get cancelled and remains 1, right? So 1 minus cos B cos C by sin B sin C plus 1 minus cos A cos C by sin A sin C plus 1 minus cos A cos B by sin A sin B. Okay, next what? All ones are there, no? So 3, and the remaining all terms are having negative. So minus cos B cos C by sin B sin C minus cos A cos C by sin A sin C minus cos A cos B by sin A sin B, right? Now what I am taking is LCM. What you will get? Sin A sin B sin C is the LCM for them. And so here 1 is there. So 1 into this is 1. Sorry, this one. So 3 into sin A sin B sin C minus sin A cos B cos C minus cos A sin B cos C minus cos A cos B sin C, right? And here I am splitting this term into 2 terms. Here 3 is there, no? 2 plus 1 I will write. So 2 sin A sin B sin C plus sin A sin B sin C minus this all comes the same, sin A cos B cos C minus cos A sin B sin C, sorry, cos C minus cos A cos B sin C whole by sin A sin B sin C, right? Now if you think from here to here, it is the formula of cos sin A plus B plus C. Okay, so what I am doing is I am taking minus common. 2 sin A sin B sin C minus of sin A cos B cos C minus cos A sin B cos C, sorry, plus cos A cos B sin C minus sin A sin B sin C whole by sin A sin B sin C, which implies what we will get? 2 sin A sin B sin C minus sin of A plus B plus C formula. This full is the formula of sin of A plus B plus C by the question sin A sin B sin C. But what we know, A plus B plus C is equals to, given A plus B plus C is equals to pi. So 2 sin A sin B sin C minus sin pi by sin A sin B sin C, which is equals to 2 sin A sin B sin C minus sin pi. Value what you will get? Let us see. Pi is 180, no? So sin 2 into 90. So sin 2 theta 2 sin 90 cos 90. Sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. So 2 into 1 into 0 is 0. So this one is 0 by sin A, sin B, sin C, which is equals to 2 sin A, sin B, sin C by sin A, sin B, sin C. These two get cancelled, which is equals to RHS. Hence proved. Understood how we did? Just I am elaborated to for your understandability. You can skip some of the steps easily. Okay, if you have any doubt, specify that in the comment section.